Asus BR1100F is the best learning companion for students of all ages, with a tough, innovative design that's made to last. As well as a versatile touchscreen display and stylus one, there's also a 360 degrees hinge and a world-facing camera. It's packed with clever protective features, including an all-round rubber bumper, spill-resistant keyboard and ultra-toe hinge. Ports: 1x USB 2.0 Type A, 1x USB 3.2 General 1 Type A, 1x USB 3.2 General 2 Type C support power delivery, 1x HDMI 1.4, 1x3.5mm combo audio jack, 1x RJ45 Gigabit Ethernet, 1x DC in, micro SD card reader plus SIM card slot. Rubber bumper: all four exterior edges and corners are protected by a tough rubber bumper, which reduces the impact of physical shocks to ensure critical components are always safe and sound. At a glance, student support. Bright good to go LED indicator integrated into its top cover. This enables educators to see at a glance if a particular student's laptop is facing internet connectivity or power problems, giving teachers a heads up when a student might need help. LED indicator status: on, normal operation, slow blinking, less than 20% battery power remaining, fast blinking, no Wi-Fi or 4G connection. Two cameras. Twice the inspiration. Asus BR1100F has two cameras. One standard webcam, plus a special world-facing, high-resolution camera located just above the keyboard, an ideal position that makes the device easier to hold in portrait mode. With its 360 degrees, any position hinge, Asus BR1100F is able to turn learning on its head. Rotate through the full 360 degrees to take a test in tablet mode. Study or mark papers in tent mode. Flip into laptop mode to do a report assignment. It's as flexible as your imagination. Keyboard and touchpad. Chiclet keyboard. 1.35mm key travel. Spill-resistant keyboard. Easy maintenance modular design that allows key components, such as the keyboard, battery, thermal module and I/O ports, to be replaced in minutes using simple tools. Slot for optional SSD. Asus BR1100F comes with 128GB of Emmc storage built right in. It also has an M2 SSD slot for optional storage of up to 1TB, so it's perfect for large or growing collections of videos, music or school documents.